Are you a TikTok shop seller looking to do the bookkeeping for your TikTok shop transactions? Let's take a look at the report that you need from your TikTok shop. Go to Finances, select Statements, select View by Statements, select Export, select the date range, and enter your dates. And then download the report. You need to wait for the report to process. Go ahead and download the report when it's ready. Open the downloaded Excel file and select the Reports tab. You'll see the total settlement amount for the period that you selected. That amount is made up of total revenue, total fees, and total adjustments. Then you see the different components of revenue. And then you'll see the fees, referral fees, affiliate commissions, and retail delivery fees. You'll also see sales taxes, but notice that even though these are listed as fees, these are not fees because TikTok Shop collects and remits sales taxes for you. So these should not be recorded as fees. And then you'll see the adjustments. In this case, we have a platform reimbursement. And that is the report that you need from TikTok to do your bookkeeping for your TikTok Shop. Follow us or subscribe for more TikTok Shop bookkeeping tips from the Mavens at Mavency.